Billionaires often employ a variety of strategies to achieve and maintain their wealth. Here are 5 key tricks or strategies commonly associated with billionaires. 1. Long-term thinking and patience. 1. Strategy. Billionaires often take a long-term view on investments, businesses, and opportunities. 1. They avoid the temptation of short-term gains, focusing instead on sustained growth and future potential. 2. Example. Warren Buffett is known for his buy and hold investment philosophy, where he invests in companies he believes in for the long term. 2. Diversification of income streams. 1. Strategy. They do not rely on a single source of income. 1. Instead, they diversify across different industries, assets, and geographic locations to mitigate risk and maximize returns. 2. Example. Jeff Bezos invested in a wide range of sectors, including space exploration, Blue Origin, media, The Washington Post, and retail, Amazon. 3. Relentless focus on innovation. 1. Strategy. Billionaires often invest heavily in innovation, continually seeking new ways to disrupt markets or improve products and services. 1. They stay ahead of trends and invest in emerging technologies. 2. Example. Elon Musk's ventures into electric vehicles, Tesla, space exploration, SpaceX, and neural technology, Neuralink, showcase a strong commitment to innovation. 4. Leveraging other people's money, OPM. 1. Strategy. Instead of using their own money for investments or ventures, billionaires often leverage debt, investor capital, or other financial mechanisms to fund their projects. 1. This allows them to maximize their returns while minimizing personal risk. 2. Example. Real estate moguls like Donald Trump have used significant amounts of borrowed money to finance property deals, increasing their wealth through leverage. 5. Networking and building strategic relationships. 1. Strategy. Billionaires understand the importance of relationships and often surround themselves with other successful and influential people. 1. They use these networks to gain insights, find new opportunities, and create partnerships. 2. Example. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett's friendship and collaboration through the Giving Pledge demonstrate how billionaires use their networks for both philanthropic and business purposes. These strategies require discipline, a deep understanding of markets and industries, and a willingness to take calculated risks.